In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request transaction statement in Apple Pay. If you use Apple Cash to send, receive, or spend money, having a formal transaction statement can be really helpful for tracking expenses, reimbursement, or taxes. I'll guide you through the exact place in your iPhone settings where you can request it, and share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. Make sure you're connected to the internet and if possible running a recent version of iOS for the best compatibility. Next, scroll down until you find Wallet and Apple Pay, then open it. This is the control center for your Apple Pay preferences, cards, and Apple Cash. Everything related to payments and passes lives here. Inside Wallet and Apple Pay, look for your Apple Cash card and select it. This is different from a bank credit or debit card that you might also have in your wallet. If you don't see Apple Cash listed, it may not be set up on your device or may not be available in your region. Once you're on the Apple Cash card screen, go to the Transaction tab. Here you'll see a running list of your Apple Cash activity. This is useful for a quick snapshot, but we're going to generate an official statement that arrives by email. Tap Request Transaction Statement. Your iPhone will prepare the request for a detailed record of your Apple Cash transactions. This statement is great for organizing your records because it puts your recent activity into a shareable, printable format. To finish, tap Send to confirm. That's it. The transaction statement will be sent to the email address linked to your card. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Delivery time can vary. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a little time. For the best results, make sure the email tied to your account is current before you start. You've now requested your Apple Cash transaction statement directly from settings without needing any extra apps. This method keeps your information secure and ensures you get an official record straight from Apple. If you ever need another statement, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you stay on top of your finances with Apple Cash.